Well, hello and welcome back to the Barbecue Trucker. Hey, on this episode here, we're going to do a pork shoulder roast, also called a Boston butt, also called a pork butt. So we're going to have some pulled pork. So that's what's coming up on this edition of the Barbecue Trucker. And here we have a 9.5 pound Boston butt. Actually, a pork butt, you want to call it. Actually, off the shoulder. And let me zoom in or get closer. Look at the marbling in that. Wow. Okay. We're going to inject it. This time we're going to just use a store-bought Tony Sketchery's, I don't know how you say that name, roasted garlic and herb. We're not going to get fancy with vinegars and sugars or anything like that. We're just going to do a plain Jane smoke on the pit boss. I better turn that on and get her fired up. Let's see. I'll just show you how to do that real quick. It's pretty simple. Yeah, don't know why it was set to there. Turn it on, then turn it on to smoke right there. You probably heard it come on. And here in just a little bit, I'll set it up to my cooking temp, which today's going to be a little bit hotter than a normal smoke. I'm going to go at like 300. Get this thing cooked real good, so because it's already close to noon, and somewhere in that area. So I want it done by about 6 or 7. So anyway, let me inject that, and then we'll be back. Well, I hope you can see. It's kind of dark in here. It's drizzly outside, but we're nice and dry under the canopy in here of the, man cave, chair, pit. We're couch, Nacho. Hi, Nacho. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I've got it all. The pork butt is all rubbed down with garlic, chili powder, salt, pepper, and one of my secret ingredients. Should be good. Fixing to transfer it over here to the old pit boss. Be right back. Okie dokie. See? Told you I put her in there. Okay. Thermal preparation has begun. Cooking it at 300. Hang on just a minute. Let's just do this real quick. Sorry about this, but doctor's orders. Right against the bone. Don't want to do that. How about go in, right? There we go. Let's do one more just because I got 2. That's the only reason I'm doing one more. Because I got 2 probes. All right, doctor's orders. There we go. Oh, she's looking pretty. Already starting to get happy. Now, she's going to be sitting there for hours. Because we are at... As you see, opening the lid for that considerable period of time. Drove down the temperature, but within 5 minutes, it'll be back to 300. Haha. All right. Talk at y'all later. Bye. Okie dokie. As you can see, I've pulled the pork butt. Its internal temperature now is about 155 or so. So I'm going to wrap it. As you notice, I've layered bacon across it. I'll take the rest of that rub and put on there, wrap it up, and put her right back in the smoker. Back in a minute. Okay, as you can see, we've pulled the pork butt out of the smoker, and to tear or pull apart here. Oh, without making too much of a mess. Let's see what we have. Oh man, that is going to be so delicious. Anyway, that's how you do a pork butt. Now I've got to clean up my mess. Talk at you later. Okay, that was pretty cool, huh? Well, I'll tell you what, man, that pork butt turned out. Of course, I wouldn't. Yeah, I would too. If it ever turns out bad, I will tell you. I don't know what I did, or yeah, I do know what I did. I did this wrong. I did that wrong. It didn't come out worth crap. But this one came out perfect. We're as close to perfect as you can get. It was delicious. Got wiped out quick, but we got two growing boys in this house. Everything you put in here gets wiped out quick. But anyway, so that's how you smoke a pork butt for your pulled pork sandwiches and whatnot. And like I say, I didn't show it because once I did it, now that I'm getting someone to film me now, the next time I will show it. But I use these right here. Just get a hold of it like that and just twist, and it just shreds apart. You can have a that whole pulled pork. That whole pork butt into pulled pork, and less than 10 seconds probably. With these things, bear claws. Okay. Okay. Also, y'all, get you some of these. I know it's hard to see from there, but these you can put on, and that way you can handle your meat right out of the. And that sounds bad, but you know what I'm saying. You can handle your meat right out of the smoker without. I've got the other one too. Don't worry, two of them. But anyway, so y'all need to go out and get you a pork butt. I don't know if I pointed it out or not, but go back and just the very start of the cooking of the pork butt. Actually, when I was seasoning it, take a good look at that pork butt. The marbling was fantastic in it. But anyway, okay, so that's this edition of the Barbecue Trucker. Y'all keep that rubber side down, the shiny side up. Don't forget to thank your law enforcement and your military, and move over to the left for anything on the side of the road if you possibly can. If not, slow down. That's what we always say here at the Barbecue Trucker. Y'all be safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one. God bless America, and God bless y'all.